Alright guys, I'm Abhi and I'm going to be talking about polar tangents. Alright, to begin with, let's go back to the basics. The basics we can start with by finding the derivatives of these two. Alright, the derivatives shouldn't be too hard. First of all, you take the derivative of this, which according to your previous knowledge, assuming you've been in the class for a while, we can do this. Alright, that's the derivative of this, dx d theta. And now we're going to get dy d theta. This is just the basic, so you can have a head start on this. Alright, if we derive this, we should get f prime of theta sine theta plus f theta of sine theta. Please excuse my bad handwriting. Alright, now we're going to move on to a practice problem. Alright, quickly erase this. And alright. This might overwhelm some of you beginners. Alright. 3 plus 8 sine theta at theta is equal to 5 by 6. Alright. We're going to first need the following derivative. We're going to need dr d theta to begin with. In this case, we already know the derivative of sine is cosine, so it's going to equal 8 cosine theta. And the formula, we're going to need to find dy dx. So let's do this real quick. This is going to get long. I'm going to kneel down real quick so I can get all of this in. 8 cos theta sine theta plus 3 parentheses. 3 plus 8 sine theta cos theta. Alright, and that's going to be over 8 cos squared theta minus 3 plus 8 sine theta times sine theta. Alright, this is just a derivative of this function. Alright, this is dy dx in this case. And let's move on to the next step. Alright, to find the slope of this, we already know the slope-intercept formula, which is y equals mx plus b. Assuming that m is, let's count m as the slope, alright? Let's do this for m. M is equal to dy dx. 0. 4 square root 3 plus 3 square root 3 over 2. That's just over 2. Over 4 minus 3 over 2. Alright. After we did that, we're integrating it from 0 to 5 by 6. In this case, that's where all these numbers are coming from. Don't be overwhelmed. Right. We get 11 square root 3 over 5. And now that we have pi equals r, now that we have theta equals pi over 6, we have r is equal to 7. Alright, we need to get the x and y coordinates in this case so we could get the tangent line. Let me erase all this. Just take a quick snapshot of that, whatever you have to do. And I'm going to erase this real quick. Again, if you missed anything, you can pause the video. Alright, let's get the two y coordinates. We can get x is equal to 7 cos pi by 6 is equal to 7 q squared 3 over 2. And y is equal to 7 sine pi by 6 is equal to 7 by 2. And now we're going to use point slope. Y is equal to 7 over 2 plus 11 square root 3 over 5. This is x minus 7 cube root 3 over 2. Right. And for sake of, let's just finish this off. I think all of you have graphing calculators, so I'm assuming Miss Elliott has taught you how to do this, but right, I'll graph this real quick using my graphing calculator, which I already have up. Let's go 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and 12. And let's do the same here. 2, 4, 6. And same thing here. Negative 2. You guys know the drill. Right. This is going to be a bad drawing, but hopefully it's understandable. And we go up here all the way here. Okay. Let's try this again. Alright. I think everyone gets the gist. That's what the graph is going to end up being, and since we already have the equation for the polar tangent by using point slope earlier, we can draw. It's touching. Don't worry about it. And let's write our equation down right here. Y is equal to 7 by 2. So 11 square root 3 over 3 times x minus 7 square root 3 over 2. Alright. And that's the problem. And to end it off, I think I'm going to leave you guys with a quick practice problem. See if you really understood what I said. Alright. Find equation of tangent line. Oh, by the way, these problems are online, so I'm not creative enough to actually make a problem. Tangent line to r is equal to 1 plus 2 cos theta at theta is equal to pi over 4. Alright. Just pause the video right here or do whatever you have to do. And alright, I'm going to display the solution in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Alright, you should have got, if you did all the steps right, 1 by 7 times 1 minus 2 square root 2 times x minus 1 plus square root 2 over square root 2 plus 1 plus square root 2 over square root 2. Again, this is more all calculator work. Don't be intimidated at all by this answer. Alright, so we get y is, that's not minus y, that's just y. Y is equal to minus 0.2612x plus 2.153. And that's what you should have got if you did this right. Alright, thank you for watching. Hopefully I helped.